guys, so nagbabalik na naman ang inyong vloggers friend Control yan for today's video. Today is December 20, 2025 guys. And 5 days na lang Christmas na. Merry Christmas in advance. So for today's video, pupunta kami sa rally kasi meron kaming Christmas party. Filipino Christmas party. Makasama ka namin sa OR guys. So ayan, on the way kayo papunta doon. Samahan nyo kami sa aming Christmas party for today. So dito tayo sa mansyon ni Ate Rica. Christmas dito.
First. Okay. Okay. Hike mo lang. Hike. Dito ka sa likod. Alright. Okay. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Longer.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
One point 26. Okay. Kailangan natin. Next is Fia. Okay. Ready. And go.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Yay! Lupi, go!
Okay. Ready.
Loud.
Get set. Go.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Supporting! Woo! Go Ate Bill! Go Ate Baling! Go Ate Baling!
Okay. Well done,
Yay! Si ate yung representative ko. Meron kaming ano. And guys, maglalaro na sila. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Isa sa harap.
Yan.
There we go.
Ayan sila. Nag-enjoy yung mga kidlets.
Now it's your
Ano tawag sa game na to?
Vest in spelling.
Oh, vest. The vest. Yes. Ayan na. Boys versus girls, guys.
Are you guys ready? So, aalusin niyo yung mga sarili niyo.
Four girls, four boys.
Dependehin sa sagot ng tanong na bibigay ko. So, sample muna tayo. Sample, okay?
Sample.
Ready. Get set. Wait, di na ako para marinig niyo. Okay. Oh, yan. Usog daw. Usog. Yan.
Competitive ang boys.
Okay. Sample or test. Trial. 4, 5, 6. Ang kasunod ay ano? Go!
Pito. Yeah, girls! Oh, girls! Oh, mali. Paingay lang talaga yung mga girls. Tagalog.
Alright. Ready? And set. Nagkukulat. Tayo ay magsambay pagkatapos mag...
Laba! Ay, nagagaya yung
Good job.
Naglalaka sila.
Okay. Alright. Next question. Kung ang rock ay bato, ang duck naman ay ano? Go! may bangkang natagpuang nakataob. Ano sa English ang bangka? Go!
English ng bangka. Boat, boat, boat. Okay na, mercy, mercy yan, mercy, mercy. This time. Mercy, mercy.
Okay, next. Next. Okay, next. Ito ang kailangan ni Narda kapag bumabagyo na. Sinusan sa paa, panglusong sa...
Bota, bota! Lisot na!
Isinusok sa
Lisot, lisot! Lisot, lisot, lisot!
Okay, ang tamang sagot ay bota. 2 points. So, last question. 2-all. Okay, tiebreaker. Alright. Okay. Para sa ulit tanong. Sa kasabihang batang makulit, laging may black sa puwet! Go! Oh! Mal!
L, 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 sino may L? L.
Ang tamang sagot ay palo. And then, okay, I'm gonna say some instructions, and whatever direction I say, you're gonna pass the gift to that direction, okay?
Yes!
Okay, ready? Okay, so listen to the story, okay? Okay. It was the end of the school year, and right then, there was, so pass your gift to the right. Right, where's your right? Right. Okay. There was only one thing left.
One thing left.
Left for Mrs. Wright to do with her class. It was time for the class party. There was just one problem. Mrs. Wright left all the snacks. Left. Kaya natin to. Sige, isang paragraph na lang po, mga kaibigan. The snacks at home. Okay, last. Mrs. Wright called her husband, Mr. Wright, and said, I need you to come right away.
Right, another right, another right. Right. And stop.
I left something very important.
Left.
Mr. Wright asked, what do you need, Mr. Wright?
Another right.
Okay.
Right.
I left the red bag with all the snacks at home. I left it on the table.
Another left.
Left.
Another left.
Please bring it right now.
Right.
Mr. Wright
Right,
hurried
another right.
to find the bag that Mrs. Wright had left
Left.
and rushed right out the
Nabibisit pa
door.
sila,
Okay, kung ano yung gift na hawak nyo, yun na yung inyo. Okay. Yay!
Say thank you.
Picture.
Picture. Opening of gift. I got. I'm not complaining. I want
It's, I mean, yeah.
Nice.
What did you get? Oh, Play-Doh.
Wow.
Yeah, what did you get? Ano? You rip it off.
Wow.
Ano? Nakipag ano? Nakipag... Ay, sayan. Yeah, we can open it tayo. We'll open... So, doon ko tapusin ang vlog na to guys. Yun ang nangyari sa Christmas party namin. Actually, may karugtong pa tong vlog na to. May pinuntahan kami kanina. Pumunta kami sa festivals. Another vlog na lang yun. Dahil masyado nang mahaba tong vlog na to kapag kapag pinagdugtong ko siya. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching this vlog. Ganun lang kami nag-celebrate ng Christmas party. Masaya siya. Hindi ko lahat actually na videohan dahil nag-enjoy rin ako. Tsaka nalobat na naman ako. Syempre. And ayun, nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa lang yung mga pag-games namin ngayon. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching this vlog. Merry Christmas sa lahat na nanonood. See you in the next vlog, guys. Bye!